Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Postman on our Mac computer. So let's see how we can do very easily. At first we need to open a browser. I'm going to use Safari browser and I just opened it. Now I'm accessing google.com. Once I am in the google.com, then I'm going to search here like Postman download, and very shortly we'll find this type of search page from Google. We have to access this link postman.com. I'm going to click here and it will be directly coming to the download page of Postman. Now there are two buttons are there, Mac Apple chip and there is Mac Intel chip. If your Mac has the Apple processor, then you need to use this version of Postman. Otherwise, if you have Intel computer, Intel processor Mac, then you have to use this version of Postman. So how we can check whether I'm using Apple Silicon chip or Intel chip? So to do this thing, we just need to click this Apple menu on the top left corner, and then from here we have to choose about this Mac. Once you click here, it will bring like this window. Here you will find clearly like Apple chip is there. So this is showing Apple chip. So for your case, if it is Intel, then you will see Intel processor is there. That means Apple processor will not be here. So I'm going to close it. So I need to download this version of Postman. So I'm going to click here and very shortly it will give this message. Download will begin shortly. This page will auto close. So now it is showing this message. I'm using Safari, that's why it is showing this type of message, like whether I want to download it really or not. We have to press allow button to start the download. I'm just going to click over there and very shortly you will see that it started downloading and it will be finished very quickly. So it depends on the internet speed basically, and it's like 123 megabyte of space. Now let's see how we can install it. To install Postman, we can double click over there or we can go to the downloads folder from my Mac, and here we see that Postman is there. So we just need to double click over there and very shortly it will open like this window. I'm going to minimize everything so that we can easily understand what I am going to do. So here it is showing that Postman application downloaded from internet. Mac is giving me this warning. So whether I am sure to open it or not, I'm going to press the open button because we need to install it. I'm going to press open and very shortly it will open this window. Move to application folder. So it is asking that this will be moved to application folder. We have to choose this option. And also I'm going to check this box, do not remind me again. So it will directly move to over there. So here one important message is there, you can read so that you can understand easily. I can move myself to the applications folder if you would like. This will ensure these future updates will be installed correctly. So basically if you made these changes, all updates in future it will be installed correctly. That is the message it is showing. So I'm going to make this checkbox checked or unchecked, doesn't matter. So I'm going to uncheck this, fine. So I'm going to choose this option, move to application folder, and very shortly Postman will be moved to application folder and it will be opened like this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this thing to check whether it is working properly or not, and there are a couple of options are there. Okay, you can press this button, continue without an account, you can also use that. Just I'm going to close this thing first. So I'm going to press Postman and then from here I'm going to quit Postman. I just close the Postman. Now let's check whether it is installed properly or not. I'm going to click this spotlight search and very shortly it will be open the spotlight search. Here I'm going to type post and here I see Postman application is there. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened directly, and that means our Postman is installed successfully. Now we can use it for our project. We can use it without a Postman account or also with a Postman account. If we use the free Postman account, then we'll get several features, otherwise we will not get feature. So I'm going to press this close button, this thing, it will be closed. Now we can test this Postman by writing some API, and that's it. In this way we can easily download and install Postman on our Mac computer.